So I'm going to do it sound testing for the Philips Bluetooth speaker. The model is BT120. This is the speaker. It's very good looking speaker, yeah, and premium quality. It's yeah, and in that for connectivity also. This is for micro USB, and this is for audio in 3.5, yeah. So let's lock it. Okay, and inside the box we get these manuals, and then one micro USB cable, and one aux cable is also there, yeah. So let's make it power on. So to power on we have to press this button. Yeah, now it's so it's powered on. This LED will be blinking. And one more thing, when you will connect with in charger, then one green LED will be there that will glow. So let's connect the same with my laptop. Yes, Bluetooth. So once it will get connected, yeah, it's give one sound. So now it is connected. Let's play some music on YouTube. No copyright music, I have some. So first this sound is very loud in this speaker, so first decrease the volume, then I will increase. So let's play. Yeah, it's full.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say,
Better to go for this instead of going for JBL Flip. I'm paying 8,000, more than 8,000. I paid it somewhere around 2,900 to 3,000 in between. So increase the sound. First make the system sound 100%.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Buddy, I'm over you so we're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head.
So yeah, it's pretty loud, and quality is also very nice. Bass is also better. It's awesome, you can see. So let's change the music. I'll play another music, so we'll go for this. Yes, so let's start.
Set to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me, take my hand any minute now.
Yes. It's awesome sound. I liked it too much. It's very much I like it. Yeah, if you want to buy, I'll give the link in below for the same. in the description, so you can buy from there. It's available on multiple e-commerce site like Flipkart, Amazon. I bought it from Flipkart for 2900 some rupees. Let's play another music. And one more thing, to get the proper sound, as I'm recording from mobile, so you will not feel what the quality. So as I am saying, it's too good, quality is too good. So if you want to test, go to some mall or somewhere you can test it before buying. Yes, so let's play this one.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns.
Yeah, and one more thing, on full volume its sound is not getting distorted little bit also. It's full volume, also it's performing too well. Yeah, fantastic, you can say. Yes, so thanks guys. If you want to buy, you can find the link below in description. Yes, bye.